Hi, Miss Bellinger here. So this week our learning target is going to be I can subtract within 10 and record the numbers as an equation or drawing. So boys and girls, today we're going to talk about subtraction. And subtraction is when we take away. Let's look at how this works. If I have 5 butterflies and then 2 fly away, how many butterflies do I have left? You can see that I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 butterflies here. And we wanted to take 2 butterflies away. And I can see that I now have 3 butterflies remaining. So now I can write my equation to show my work. Our equation would look like 5 minus 2 equals 3. We can also show our work using a picture. So if we have our 5 butterflies that we drew, then we can go back and take away 1, 2. And then we can see that we had 5 and we took away 2 and that left us with 3. So that is another way that we can show our work. So let's take a closer look. How did we know that that was a subtraction problem? Let's look and talk about the vocabulary that helped us know what to do. So this was our sentence. It said, if I have 5 butterflies and then 2 fly away, how many butterflies do I have left? Okay, so we know that we had butterflies and they flew away. So that tells us they're leaving and we need to take some away. We also had, how many do I have left? Okay, so we know that some flew away and I'm trying to figure out how many are left. Alright, so today you will solve some subtraction problems in Google Forms. You'll submit your questions once you have selected all of the answers. And I will talk to you guys tomorrow.